How to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. So if you want to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, scroll down, go with accessibility section. Once you're under accessibility, you need to scroll down and then go with an option called audio and visual. Once you come over here, you want to scroll down all the way down and you need to find an option called balance. Make sure your audio is balanced perfectly in the middle. If it's either on the left or on the right, you can have some problems. So make sure to put that in the middle. Hopefully it will work and it will solve your problem. Now, after doing this, you need to just go ahead and get out of this. And you need to offload the application. Sometimes this might help. In order for you to do that, all you have to do is open up your settings again. After that, scroll down, go with general. And now you want to scroll down and find out the iPhone storage, which is right here. And once you tap on the iPhone storage, you need to scroll down and then find the application, which is Mobile Legends. Once you find the Mobile Legends, tap on it, and here you will have an option to offload. So you just need something to go and offload the application. And once you offload, you need to tap on reinstall app. This might take some time, so just be patient. And once your application gets offloaded, check whether it solved your problem or not. That's how you can fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.